Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Vista Magnet Middle School in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. My third visit for 2024-2025 and final visit, not just to this location, but to California schools in general for this same school year. So a little bittersweet, definitely been a marathon, but that is kind of, I guess, more or less the underlying message that I was trying to convey today, which was about perseverance, right? In the midst of trials and tribulations and difficult times, that we can always keep going, right? We can always keep pushing, persisting until success happens. And we do that by, obviously making a conscious choice and effort, but also having this growth mentality, right? Like a growth mindset versus a fixed mindset. This is one of the slides from the presentation today. And we want to focus on someone that wants to improve every day of their lives, keep bettering themselves and the people around them. There's always room for growth, right? Always room for improvement. And so this person with a growth mindset, they're going to say, look, failure is an opportunity to grow. Challenges can help me grow. They're going to say, I can learn to do anything I want. My effort and attitude determine my abilities. Feedback is constructive. It's okay. We can take it, right? Not get hurt by what people say, but really, use it to grow if it's something that we can learn from, for sure. This person likes to try new things, and they're inspired by the success of others. They're not jealous if somebody else succeeds or is shining. They're like, hey, that's great. Maybe I can learn from them, or I want to encourage them. And the more that we give this joy, to others, of course, we receive it back tenfold, right? Because it feels good to give, whether it's our time, energy, whatever it is, and that we make sure we do it too from the right approach, right? With the right heart, energy, enthusiasm, passion behind it, right? There's a right way to encourage someone. It's even fine to say nice things, but if there's no real feeling behind it, no sentiment, well, it kind of doesn't hold any weight, right? And look, the person that we're going to speak to the most in our life is ourselves. So we definitely want to be telling ourselves something positive. And whatever we tell our brain and our heart's going to believe, so we also want to tell that something and make sure that's positive, right? Creating this healthy habit of how we talk to ourselves, how we believe in ourselves, really that we can do anything ourselves. And once we have that belief, now we go and help others believe that too, that they're amazing, that they can do anything too, and that they are all true miracles, right? This concept that I bring up in every assembly I do, the lines on our hand, the letter M, I traced it here. M stands for miracle, upside down, W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. Once we believe this, now we can go shine that light to someone else's heart, and hopefully they believe it as well. But thanks again for touching my heart. Another beautiful afternoon with the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders here at VMMS. Can't wait to be back in the fall. But until then, have a great summer break, great rest of these few weeks, finish strong. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.